What's good, YouTube? Back with another banger, yup. So, we're here to celebrate my boy's,
my birthday,
his girlfriend's birthday.
Yeah,
we're here at Rainforest Cafe, the one and only in California. We'll show you guys some of the food they have, the environment there is, but we're gonna film a banger. Let me throw this away, but you already know what this is. You already know. Where's the trash can?
Okay. Yes, keep going straight left.
Bruh.
I'm curious to see if this food's any good.
Right, we're here at Ontario Mills. I think this is like the only place that they have it here in California, because they had one in Disneyland apparently, but
I don't know if they have that one in Disneyland anymore.
Yeah, I think that's what they were talking about. But look at this. Look at the entrance.
There's another one in Vegas too.
Oh yeah, I think I've seen that one. But shit, we'll see if it's any good food, cool environment. And yeah, we'll see you guys inside.
Stay tuned for after. Oh, sorry.
No, we're going to Dave & Buster's, right? Yeah.
Stay tuned for after.
Yo, go drop down below. Go in my comments with my videos. We went to Dave & Buster's like I want to say 2 years ago. 2 years ago, yeah. Yeah, fire video. But yeah, we'll catch you guys inside. Should we say? Gift shop. We should say happy birthday to the birthday girl. Brittany, this is the birthday girl.
He's vlogging.
Alright guys, say your name.
Connor.
Hi, I'm B.
We're currently getting...
The security number is. Need your social security number.
Also, Tay's here with us. Yeah. It's been a banger video.
Hi, what are you doing?
Fun shit.
You think the food's gonna be good though? Is the real question.
I don't know. I heard it was like Chili's grade food.
Well,
so we'll see. I'm excited.
So
for the environment.
Taylor, you think the food's gonna be fire or what?
It's probably gonna be mid.
Yeah, it's within.
Oh, the lighting is crazy in here though. Yeah. This is my first time here.
Yeah. So I'll give you
Let's see what the restroom looking like.
Yo, chat, might get this rib steak and shrimp trio combo. Sounds pretty fire. So I'm debating with getting regular chicken Alfredo, which is Python pasta, grilled chicken, Alfredo sauce, Parmesan cheese, and pasta basically, or just a regular burger, $20. Heads and tails. Heads or tails here? Tails. I guess I'm going with the burger. This was heads, that was tails. I'm going with the burger. It's fine. Fine with me. I was just debating. The whole gang in them, bro. Y'all wish y'all was here, man. Y'all wishing, man. Yo, what is it making? Question mark.
A hat, a balloon hat.
Oh, hell yeah. Sheesh. He's getting down over there. Look at him. Hell yeah. Oh, fucking down. That's my fault. I'm over here recording and then you should have getting stressed out. Thank you so much. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's so sick. Dude, look at the bananas. I know, dude, that's so sick. Dude, that's sick. That's sick as fuck. I know, right?
More than 3 cars.
It's raining right now. No.
Oh, why is it so dark? So It's a happy birthday to Brittany. Happy birthday, Brittany.
Happy birthday, me.
Sitting with my girl. Me and my girl. Happy birthday to my girl. Oh wait, my girl. My bad. Alright.
Look at the burger.
I know you can do it. Won't be nothing on
What do you get, Brittany? What do you get, Brittany?
I got a pesto alfredo pasta and it's actually fucking fire.
Oh, hell yeah. What do you get, Connor?
I got a crispy bruschetta chicken.
Oh, hell yeah. V, what do you get?
I got a medium rare burger with jalapenos.
Oh, hell yeah. What do you get? What do you get, Z?
I'm gluten-free, so I got the gluten-free anaconda pasta.
Oh, anaconda pasta. What do you get, bro?
A burger.
Burger. Gabe?
Burger.
Burger. Joanna, what do you get?
Jerk chicken and shrimp pasta. Make it as a feed magnet. Ornament.
Oh, that's so fucking cute. Oh my god, that little card. Oh, that's so cute.
That is the cutest
That is so fucking cute.
I know, wait, the matching ones now.
And 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday from all of us to you. May you such a special day just for you. Hope you have a super fun, terrific day. So happy birthday,
Hey guys, tell me how you guys feel about the Rainforest Cafe.
This is the best thing we got out of there.
Oh,
This fucking
shit.
cup.
My food was really good.
Alright, that's good.
Personal.
No, I'm just playing. I got fish tacos and they tasted like nothing.
Yeah.
That's my
Wait,
fault
do
for
you
getting
like
fish
the
tacos.
I got regular burger, like the regular plain burger. It was like a regular like homemade burger, I would say. Nothing too fancy, nothing too serious, you know. But
It was alright. Everybody got their food except for her.
Oh, yeah, that
for
shit-
like 30 minutes.
yeah.
That
Kind of
pissed me off.
that pissed me off for
But
that.
it was good.
Okay.
And I was like, whatever.
Gabe, Joanna, how do you guys like the Rainforest Cafe food?
It was good. It just took an
The
hour.
burger was pretty good.
Okay.
Wait time wasn't the best.
Yeah.
Pasta was good. V's burger looked amazing.
Yeah,
She got medium rare.
We're gonna go ask V and Connor how they like their food. And we're also going to Dave and Buster's right now, see if it's any good. V, Connor, come over here.
Hi.
How do you guys like the food?
Good.
You good?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
What's your overall experience?
Yeah. What do
I
you?
say the wait was stupid, but
okay.
the food was good.
The waiter's a fucking retard.
It's weird.
Okay, Connor. Oh yeah, that too, huh? It's pretty. It was alright, right?
It was
It's
good.
not- it was-
It was my first time, and the animatronics was like actually not what I expected. I thought it was gonna be some cheap like
The
I
vibe
don't
is
know.
cool.
I don't know what to
The
expect.
vibe is not cool for 3 hours.
for 2 hours is cool.
DJ
Yeah.
went to the
Ya muero.
It changes like a little bit when it starts recording.
I think it's recording now. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, chat. This is the post-degenerate activities. Post-eating degenerate activities.
One shot going in.
Any car in front of me just fucking
Oh. Dude, I can't see anything. I hope I'm getting it.
Gabe next.
Just drink it out the bottle, dude.
freaking cooties, dude. What the fuck,
Or like a fucking waterfall.
Pretty fire, but I know she's gonna give it to me. You're next, buddy.
You
You're
first.
the dad. You're
He's
his
getting Mexican.
girlfriend. I brought it for all you guys. Get him a little cup then.
He's gonna waterfall.
Get him a.
Can I?
This cup's just pull up right now.
Bro,
Scared me.
yeah, I was about to say, bro.
You scared me. Thank you. You want to trade? Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers, thank you, V. There's cups in there, I'm pretty sure. Oh shit, she got one.
Get this guy Vince a double.
Vince was a double.
I've been drinking like last 4 days.
Oh,
Let's make it 5.
let's go on a rager. Make it a whole week.
Did you like your food? What'd you get?
Yeah, actually, I didn't ask you. How
I
do you
got
like
a
the
burger. It tastes like a
homemade type, like
yeah,
burger,
like when
right?
you go to the pool and like
Yeah,
your dad is like, yeah, I got good burgers, and it's like,
How do you want yours cooked? Right, they're
Yeah.
gonna be well done.
yeah, exactly, yeah, that's exactly what it was like.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Do you chaser?
At least it's Espelon. This is the devil I know.
The devil I know. Taylor doesn't want some?
I think he's sick from yesterday, bro. The mimosas are crazy.
He kept saying his tummy hurt.
I know. Dude, yesterday my shit was hurting, but I threw up.
No, I might just take another one.
Shit, I'm gonna get freaky in a bit. Nah, I'm sorry, chat. I need to go.
week, 2 weeks later, I finally finished editing the video, just chopping it up. But I just want to say, like, subscribe, drop a comment if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to be in the next one. I also want to say, if you're the shoe guys at the mall, bro, don't fucking touch my hand, bro. I'll fucking knock your ass out for real, bro. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.